Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 8. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentations and worksheet links are given below into the description box. You may click it, download it, or you can modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learnt about short vowel sounds, diphthongs and long vowel sounds. So our today's students' learning outcomes are locate specific information to answer short questions, pronounce and practice long and short vowels and diphthongs as they occur in practice items and sentences in reading lessons. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Ma'idah, ayah number 15, there has come to you from Allah a new light and a clearly expressed book. Yes, my dear students, these beautiful verses are telling about us about the importance of Holy Quran that Allah has sent to us for our better guidance. What are short vowel sounds? A short vowel sound is produced when the vowel in a syllable is followed individually by a consonant. Yes, short vowel sound occurs when a vowel is followed by a single consonant. Then we read it as a short vowel sound. And long vowel sounds are often come when two vowels appear side by side in a syllable, like late, eat, oughts, etc. So these are two vowels together side by side and they are also followed by a consonant. That's why they will give us a long vowel sound. What are diphthongs? A sound formed by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable in which the sound begins as one vowel and moves towards another is called a diphthong. When the combination of two vowels in a single syllable and the sound is merged into the next vowel, these words, such type of words are called diphthongs. Yes, let's refresh our knowledge. Pre-reading questions are there. When did Dr. Khan get full control of the Kahota uranium enrichment project? Yes, my dear students, pause the video and answer that question to your teacher and then come back. Good job. I hope you have done it. Let's start our lesson, unit number 8, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. So today we will start the rest of the lesson, the rest of the content. In 1981, this project was given the name of Khan Research Laboratories, KRL, in honor of his services. As a result of his unending efforts, in 1998, Pakistan successfully conducted its first nuclear test and emerged as the only Muslim nuclear country. Yes, my dear students, already we mentioned that we have to mention this is a long vowel sound, and their two vowels are the end merged in one sound. And there I have circled it that there is also a diphthong. There is also a diphthong. Yes. When did Pakistan successfully conduct its first nuclear test? Pause the video and respond this question to your teacher. Good job. Dr. Khan did his best in the field of science and technology. He was awarded Nishan-e-Imtiaz in 1996 and again in 1998. So it means he got that award 2 times. He is the only Pakistani who got the highest civil award twice. He got that award 2 times. He also got Hilal-e-Imtiaz in 1989. While reading question is there, when did Dr. Khan get Hilal-e-Imtiaz? Respond to your teacher about that question. Excellent. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan was a notable personality in Pakistan's nuclear history. He is called the founder of the first nuclear bomb in the Muslim world. In his personal life, Dr. Khan was an honest and caring person. He was not only a scientist but also a loving soul for the poor. These I have highlighted and already I circled words. So these are long and short vowel sounds and diphthongs. And teacher, my dear teacher, you can also highlight their words, and you can, during the lesson, you can also guide to students. There is a question for you. How was Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan in his personal life? Pause the video and respond that question to your teacher. Good job. He had built a hospital to provide free medical facilities to the poor. His name will be written in gold in the annals of the national history of Pakistan. Yes, facilities. The word is facilities. What does the word facilities mean? Services that he did for Pakistan. These are all called facilities. And for poor people, what he did for poor people also. And annals mean record, something that is recorded in the history. He died on October 10, 2021 at an age of 85. He was given a state funeral at the Faisal Masjid before being buried at the H8 graveyard in Islamabad. Post reading questions are there. What did Dr. A.Q. Khan build to help the poor? Can you name some of your national heroes? Excellent. Good job. Comprehension questions are there. Open book, page number 60. And do these remaining questions in your notebook, and also question number 3 on your book. Solve these and come back. Good, excellent. Let's learn with fun. It's activity time. underline, circle and highlight short, long vowels and diphthongs in 7th paragraph on book page number 59. That on page number 59 there is a 7th paragraph. Highlight, circle and underline the short and long vowels and diphthongs. After doing that, make 3 columns on the board, i.e. short vowel, long vowel and diphthongs. In this way, my dear teachers, you will draw a column on the whiteboard and you will call students one by one to write the underlined words in their relevant column. Perform this activity in your class. Excellent. Good. Yes, and also do perform question number 4 on your book, page number 61. Read each word aloud. Tick the words which have short vowel sounds. In this assessment, you have to tick just short vowel sounds words. Excellent. Yes, what's our today homework? Find short vowel words from your lesson and write them in your notebook. From complete lesson, you will find out short vowel words and you will write in your notebook. Yes, this is worksheet and download it, click it, download it and provide it in printed form to your students. So what we learned today? Today we learned how to locate information to respond the questions accurately. We also learned about short and long sounds of vowels and about diphthongs and their pronunciation. And in this way we have covered up our SLOs. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.